Go.
All right, we are Emuse. What's your names? Yeah, I'm Blaine Hansen. Dustin Robinson. I'm Travis. Yeah, so once we get the filter pick. Okay, so our application, what it does, we have this 8x8 grid that we can use our keyboard to kind of move around on, right? And insert these arrows. Okay, so pressing enter, I can insert these arrows. Okay. Then when we press enter, or press space, excuse me, they start moving along according to their state. When they hit the wall, they make a sound, and when they hit each other, they turn clockwise, which they turn red also when they collide with each other. So you can kind of see that moving along. Then over here, we could change the musical scale with these switches. And we can change the root note with these switches.
Very nice.
Okay.
This circuit right here is just 8 resistors, and we have 8 oscillators going into them, and they're all being blended by a 741 op amp. And it's just fed into these speakers right here, which is playing our sound.
Very good, very good. Some processor background.
So this is all based on CR16 processor architecture. We added some extra instructions that we needed to do application-specific tasks.
All right, explain the I/O and anything else you guys want to add.
All right, so for our I/O, we use our keyboard as our input, and a speaker output, and wrote to the VGA monitor. Basically, all we check for in our code is for our arrows, our enter, and our space. And whenever we write to a specific value in our memory mapped I/O, we can output to the speaker or output to the
Glyph-based.
output to the screen. And all of our screen is glyph-based, and so each glyph is 1/4 of an arrow.
Very nice, very nice. And Travis, you want to explain the poster a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks, bud.
So our poster's pretty straightforward. We just have this state machine right here, and it's just explaining how our application is running, where we accept input, and then we determine the outputs, and then we load the outputs and determine changes from those. And then right here is a little bit of pseudocode that we've coded up, and then this is the description of our project.
I can still tag you in those, you know. I can upload.
Okay, guys. So tell me a little bit about your experience with this class, what you think, and how much you enjoyed it. Besides all the hard work and long hours.
It was a good experience. We're in dire need of some sleep. Sleep, breakfast, food. But we learned a lot, and
It was fun.
getting this final
class
work
was really satisfying.
Actually, the funny thing is that
Very nice. Well, job well done, guys. This was very good effort, and hope to see better stuff and more stuff in the future.
We're gonna actually